What is a mechanical keyboard? Mechanical keyboard have an individual switch beneath each key, which makes this style of keyboard more durable. So they now can we see? So you can see the lights. Every keyboard, every key has its own individual light. Now if I change the light, you can see the patterns of different lights. See, this is another light. This is different style of lighting. You can see the keyboard like this. This is another style of lighting. This is another style of lighting. This is another style of lighting. This is another style. You can select the styles from here. This keyboard is here given. If you press, it's a different kind. If you press, it's different. It's different. It's different. It's different. It's different. It's different.